Hello everybody, how are you guys? Today video is on how to find a genuine original Reiki Grandmaster who is talking authentic Reiki to you, because people are getting very confused about which Grandmaster to learn from. There's so many Reiki teachers mushrooming these days, and it is very confusing for students to choose. So there are many ways to find out the authenticity of a teacher. One is number of years that the teacher has been teaching, the reputation of the teacher, and the third very important thing that you can find out is what is the lineage of your teacher. So if you ask the person, if you ask your Reiki master or your Reiki teacher, which lineage are you from which teacher have you learned? So when you are asking for a lineage, for example, my lineage is William Rand, who is an American grandmaster, and he's learned from Pat, who is a direct student of Luis Formoto, who is the grand student of Dr. Usui. So William Rand has taught William Haw, and William Haw has taught me directly. So, I can claim that yes, this is my lineage that is coming directly from America. And today, Reiki Grandmaster Sangeeta Gupta is giving attunements the way William Rand has given. And in fact, I'm using the files that William Rand is being giving to his students. So like I can claim my lineage from America directly. So it is important, it is your birthright to know from your teachers their years of experiences and how many students have they worked with, how many grandmasters they have created. So you will get their authenticity and their genuineness. Another thing that you can look for is how committed they are to your individual growth. Are they available to you? Guys, don't go for a Reiki grandmaster who is selling Reiki for 2000 or 3000. That Reiki grandmaster will never ever be available to you, because somebody who is charging less will also not be available for you to answer your queries, your questions. So it is, there is a saying that, you pay more and then you get value for money. You pay less, then you don't get value. So don't go for teachers who ask you for less money. Go for teachers who are authentic. They might be charging you for more, but at least they're authentic and they are going to teach you the right values. So go for, this is how you can define and describe a genuine Reiki grandmaster. Ask for the lineage, ask for the years of the experiences, ask for how many students have they worked with, and you can actually interview them. You can have an interview with the Reiki teacher, because you're putting your life at stake in their hands. So you have all the right in the world to ask them these questions. When my students call me and ask me all kind of questions, I answer them very patiently. So guys, I am a teacher who's been teaching for more than 25 years, and that is my genuine claim to authenticity and the right lineage. And I mean, if you wish to, although I'm a little expensive and I do individual coaching for Reiki, I take interest in people's personal life. I handle their personal issues. I go to the root cause. I just don't teach them that we rub your hands and give Reiki. It doesn't work until unless a student is working on his life issues. If a student is working on her life issues, only then he can become our genuine Reiki channel or a Reiki grandmaster. That's another piece of information I'm trying to give you. So your teacher should be genuine, the student should be genuine, and the results will be amazing. So guys, if you wish to contact me, you can contact me on my number 9811142249. I really promise you, teaching you authentic Reiki, which is result oriented. It will definitely give you results. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye. Sayonara. Take care.